MetaTrader 5 or you are using MetaTrader 4, do not analyze on MetaTrader. They are not made for analysis. So where do you analyze? So if you are trading Deriv synthetic indices, so where do you go to? Find the browser on your device, open it up, and go to the search box of any of your browser, either Firefox, any browser of your choice. Just open it up and search for Deriv chart or Deriv Tradingview. So click on Deriv Tradingview. Tradingview, Deriv Advanced Trading Charts and Tools. Click on this. Yep, we are on the chart now. So what do you need to do when you get to the chart? The first thing you need to do is make sure you click on this save. Click save. Then enter your name or anything you want to save the layout with. So I'll be using MMA and I'll click on save. Why is that important? So reason is this. So if you do not save, imagine this, you do your analysis, so and it happens that anything whatsoever it could have been, maybe poor network connection, interrupt your chart or your analysis, and it happens that you need to reload. What will happen? So let's just reload. We have not clicked on save, we just saved the layout with MMA. So what will happen? Let's just reload now. So since we saved already, we have a layout there. So load layout, we go to, then click on MMA. So the line we made is not appearing again. It has disappeared because we do not click on save. So what if we click on save? I'm clicking on save now. I will place a line, then I'm clicking on save. I've clicked on save. So if I reload the chart, what will happen? If I reload the chart and I go to save, I go to layout and I click on MMA. So the line is there. So whatever you are doing on your chart, it is very compulsory. Make sure you save. So that's the first thing you need to know. Save a layout name, and whatever you are doing step by step, make sure you are clicking on save. So this is the way to add indicators to the chart. You click on indicators here. Then an example is moving average. Moving average, we have moving averages here. So you can click on any of your choice and you click on save. Do not forget to click on save. So you can go to setting, then adjust the setting of that moving average to your choice. Then after everything, you click on OK. Then you do what? You click on save again. So what are other things which you also need to know? So we have candlestick on default setting. You can go to the top here, change the candles to any, you can change it to line or anything you like. Depend on your choice. You can use volume candles, you can use hollow candle, you can use step line, anything which is of your own choice, but make sure you do what? You click on save. So I'll put it back to candles and I'll click on save. So what are other things? This is where we have time frames. So instead of looking for 1 hour and after that, or be looking for 2 hours, be looking for 15 minutes. If you have favorite time frame that you use time to time, what do you need to do? Click on this and add them to your favorite. You see that they'll be appearing at the top. You see, we have them there now. And you do what? You click on save. Do not forget to do that. It is very, very much important. So what again? If you look into this part, you can adjust the layout setup. You can add, you can split the screen into two. You see, at this side, you might be trading volatility 25. In this side, you might change this to maybe volatility 10 index or anything you want to be trading. So this is exactly what it is meant for. So that is that. I'll be putting it back to default setting. So if I change that, what do you need to do? The first thing you need to do is, after you change the layout, click on save. Please do not forget to do that. So, and after that, there's a drop here. You can rename your layout. We use MMA, so you can use any other thing. MA, you see, you can change the layout name. And this side, you can search for tools. So what do we mean? We have many tools here that you can use for analysis, but you might be looking for a specific tool and you do not know where it's being categorized. What do? You get to this point, you just search for feed or whatever tool you are looking for. So when you search here, it take you directly, you get to see the tools you are looking for, instead of just searching and looking here and there for what you do not know where they put or where it's being categorized. So you go to this side, you search for the tool, then you make use of it. So this is setting. You can change your candle settings, and after you are done with the settings, you do what? You click on OK and you click on save. So the settings, you can use it for so many other things. You can change the background color here. You can do anything you like. Just play around with it and you get to know. So after changing the settings, make sure you click on work, make sure you click on save. So you can use full screen mode if you are here. Either you click on shift plus F, or you click this, it will take you to the full screen mode. You can press escape or get to this point to exit full screen mode. I'll click on escape now. So we are back. So what other things do you need to know? So you can get to this point, look for the pairs you want to trade. Deriv, here we have what belongs to Deriv. We have synthetic indices here. We have so many of them. But here we have Forex, we have stocks. But make sure you are not using Deriv Tradingview for analyzing Forex pairs and stock indices. Just use it for what is meant for Deriv. You understand? So if you want to analyze currency pairs, what do? You open your browser as we did earlier on, then you search for Tradingview. This time around, not the real Tradingview. You just search for Tradingview. But before we do that, I think I should show you this. If you add anything to your chart, you can delete it here. Anything you add to your chart, you can just delete it. But if you want to undo, get to this part, undo and redo. You see, undo and redo. So let us continue. So you search for Tradingview. If you want to trade currency pairs or stock market, make sure you don't do it on Deriv Tradingview. Based on my experience, don't do it on the Tradingview. Just go to Tradingview, track all markets, you click on it, then search for the pair you are looking for. Let's say XAUUSD. I think you get that. Let me come back again and show you. Trading view. You click on Trading View. Here we have it, and you search here. Click on search, then you look for either Euro JPY or whatever it is you are looking for. Then you click on it. You can click on launch chart. So if you click on launch chart, it will take you also to this part you are seeing. So same way we navigate the real trading view, we have the same thing here. So adding indicators, changing candles, and also we have time frames here. So, but what are things that we do not have on the real trading view? You can set alert here. So if you are asked to do this, you can be using the free one, and also you can also, one thing that normally happen is when you open trading view, this trading view, at a point in time it might ask you to put your details and create an account with them. Do not be scared, you can do that, it is free. But at a point, if you are asked for to pay for premium, you can either decide to do that or not. So if you're asked to do that, you can take it off. But if you want to pay for premium, you can also continue, put your details and go for it. So we have a lot here. So I'll be clicking join for free. So I'll be putting my details here. You see join for free that I clicked. So I'll join for free. I'll be signing up with this account. Do not be scared, it's a normal process. If you open up a free account with them, you are good. So we've done that already. So now you can create alert, which we do not have on the trading view. So click on alert. You see, you can set your alert here, and when you are done creating the alert, that means when you are not on chat, if something happened on the chat, if you want to get notified, they will do that for you. And you can set your kind of notification too, whether to receive mails and sounds and anything you want. Just configure the setting, and when you are done, just click on create. So if you click on create, you go to alert again. I think from this side, alert, yeah, you have it here. You can delete it if it's no more useful for you. So that is the first thing we have on the trading view we do not have on Deriv. Another thing is, if you get to this point, you click here, you can save different pairs here, different pairs. You can save them here instead of creating a layout for them. You can just save different pair. You click on watch list, you just click on this, you find what you are looking for, and you search here for whatever you are looking for, and you add plus, so it will be automatically added to your list. So that will be for trading view. And if you have any other question, you can drop in the comments below. I will make sure to look into it and also provide answers. So if you get to your chart, you can delete everything that is on your chart. You go to volume. This is this is an indicator. You can just delete it. You see, you have a different chart. So that will be all for today. So if you are having any challenge setting up your trading view, you can use Google. I also take other videos in which I've created. So in the next video, we'll be talking about how to analyze some pairs and what to do when you want to place your before placing your trade. So please stay tuned, and thank you for watching.